Hi, this is my multimeter. You can see working perfectly. There are two knobs, red and black. In my case, both knobs are broken. See. Oh. So I'm trying to fix this. There are actually two ways. One way, like this was here. One way is you can safely remove the pin from the knob and resoldering it. In my case, I have damaged this by heating. I want to remove this pin from this knob, so I heated up the front face and it has been damaged. Now this is not in use. Now I am going to fix in this in another way. I am using the Indian riffle. This riffle is Flair Sporty Rightometer, the empty riffle. I am using this to build a new knob. So what I am going to do here, I am going to take this out pin from out the riffle, and I am going to use a knob pin, and let's create a new knobs using new refill. So I am back after a few minutes. I spent some time on soldering. So this is my new knobs. You can see wire is passed through the refill, and here this is my new pin, and soldering is done. It's very easy to repair using this knob. It's a plug and play. You can easily remove and repair anytime. It is tight, quite not easy tools. Okay, this has been set. See, the new knob is here. Oh, fine. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to press like button. Thanks.